Hi guys, my name is Araceli and I need chapstick. Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Araceli and I make all kinds of fun content. So anything related to thrifting, style, beauty, all kinds of fun stuff. So if you're interested in those types of videos, please hit subscribe. If you want to learn some really great tips on how to make some extra cash on Poshmark, please keep watching. Okay, so my number one tip, and this is basically how I got started. So for those of you that don't really know who I am or what I do, I am currently a full-time seller on Poshmark and a few other platforms, but Poshmark is my main homie. So I started on Poshmark and I ended up selling my first item that I sold on there. You can go check back to see my sold item. I sold a pair of Uggs that I knew that I wasn't really gonna wear, but I knew that someone else would really love them. So I really started my business really from searching my own closet and recycling the things that I no longer wanted to wear or just didn't fit my style anymore. So I highly encourage you guys to Marie Kondo your closet and search for things that you haven't worn in a really long time or just don't fit your style anymore, and use those as your inventory to sell on Poshmark. It's basically free. I mean, you did initially pay at some point, but there's no initial investment in those pieces. So to me, it's always a really great idea, and I still do this to this day, is I go through my closet and I pick out the things that I don't wear anymore, that I don't like, that don't fit my style, and then slap them onto my closet. And trust me, things will sell. There are other people out there that it is their style to wear an oversized teddy coat or an oversized blazer, vintage blazer that you've had in the back of your closet for a really long time. So there are people that are willing to pay for these things. So make sure you hit up your closet first before you go thrifting. Okay, welcome to my closet. So I'm working with this small area right here. So I usually don't have that much room for clothes. Those are my shoes, and I have more shoes down here. But yeah, I usually go through my closet and just about every week, if not every day. So I usually go through my closet, if not every day, every week, every month. I go through it and I figure out if the items that I have in it are things that I genuinely like and that I continue to use, and if I don't, then it's either going to my Poshmark closet or I will donate it. So I have one thing here, let's see. Pants for me are really hard to find. So I have my pants down here. And I think I'm actually going to get rid of these Madewell jeans. And these ones, they fit me, but they fit a little tight. So I want them to be a little bit looser. So they're in pretty good condition. They don't have any holes or stains. So that's something also to keep in mind, is to make sure that things that you want to put on your Poshmark closet are, that someone else could use again. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my Poshmark closet. Okay, so second tip, I have my notes right here. My second tip is to create a really eye-catching listing. And for that, you need two things. You need good lighting, like the one we have right now. And then number two, a descriptive title. And so let me start off with good lighting. So I kind of learned this the hard way. I had a lot of experience with photo shoots, photography, and that sort of thing. So I know what's kind of like necessary for really good product photography. And so one of that is good lighting. And so if you have a window, you can have really good lighting. And today we actually have like this awesome weather. We've been having gloomy weather here in California, but today it's really awesome. So this is the perfect type of lighting. It'll show the clothes in really good light, it'll show textures, and anything that your potential buyer may need to see. So again, if you don't have